Hey everyone, it's Jen. I hope you've been staying safe. This is a quick tutorial on how I dyed my Jordan 1 midsole to give it an aged look. I also distressed the upper to go along with the vintage 85 look and feel. The main things you'll need are a paintbrush, vinyl tape, 100 grit sandpaper, Salon Care 40 Creme developer, and Candle Science Ivory liquid dye. Tape off the outsole with vinyl tape. The color of the tape doesn't matter. I used orange and I've seen other people use red. You can use vinyl tape to tape off the upper as well, but I used painter's tape because I had it on hand. Next, mix the Salon Care 40 Creme developer with the Ivory liquid dye. Salon Care 40 is what's used to lighten yellowed midsoles and is being used in this case to dilute the Ivory liquid dye. I did a 70-30 ratio, 70% Salon Care 40 and 30% Ivory liquid dye. You can tweak the amount of each depending on how light or dark you want the midsole to look. The dye is really potent, so a little goes a long way. Carefully and evenly apply the mixture onto the midsole with a paintbrush. The color looks really dark right now, but it'll lighten up with time. Wrap the midsole with saran wrap and let it dry. I let mine dry for about 24 hours. Remove the saran wrap and wipe off any excess dye with a towel. Take your time doing this and make sure you remove any residual dye. To distress the upper, I used a Dremel on the collar and heel area and 100 grit sandpaper on the rest of the shoe. It's really up to you on how much you want to distress the shoe. I'm pretty happy with how they turned out and it was a fun project to do. Shout out to Vintage Kicks Gallery for the tutorial on how to age midsoles and Phil for the inspo to make these. Let me know if you have any questions and thanks for watching.